Video 241, we're going to take a Udesign and an F16 value and pack it into a more compressed layout that uses bit-packed U32s. So we got a range check right here. Make sure we have the correct address space, 0 to 15 inclusive. We have some definitions for what certain variables mean. We have 4x4 for the metagrid and 5x5 for the individual discrete units in one subcluster of that grid. And then the total number of discrete units in our Udesign value is 20 by 20. Shorthand variables right here, because we're going to use this later down. We have the individual bit indexes within one subcluster in our Udesign grid. And then we have the XY representation of this B25 bit index value. We need to know which cell we're on in terms of x and y. So modulo by 4 to get the x, divide by 4 to get the y, bounds check it here. Then we have the global bit origin here, and then we have the global bit coordinate here. So this is the upper left origin of the series of bits we want to look at. This index here is the global bit index, the one-dimensional representation of this global bit chord. Here's the bit we want. We're going to iterate through all 25 bits that we want to pack into an unsigned 32-bit integer, calculate the xy value, calculate the global bit chord by adding the local xy to the global bit origin, and then turn that global bit chord xy into an index. So the width times y plus the remainder will give us that. We'll get the bit out of the Udesign. We'll do some error checking down here, and then we're going to bit pack right here. So the bit's in network bit order, so we got to invert it, then shift it into position and smash it all together. Then we got it, and then we'll output it. So here's what we did previously. Here's all of our diagrams, and then here's what we did in this video. So I don't have time. If you want deeper explanation, go here, like and subscribe.